level up so hard that they will have to re-meet and re-know you. Welcome to August 2022, part 3, the final part. Today we're going shopping. My husband had to return a few things that he bought online at the mall, and then I'm taking the girls out and about to just buy a few things here and there. It's nice to just walk around and see people. You enjoy going to Lush? Yeah? It smells so pretty in there, right? After this, we want to go home and take a bath? Yeah, a bubble bath? What color should we go with today? Blue?
Glitter.
With glitter? How much glitter? Uh-huh. The blue one? No, put the skirt down. Never do that in public. That's very nice. I love it.
I can put anything in my room.
She's like, gonna give me some? Pomegranate juice.
I can't, girl.
You get to buy calls.
This cup.
No, it's pomegranate juice.
Be careful, Kara. She let go just so she has some
That's for mommy.
She'll actually walk up first. Okay, she's giving up.
Believe it or not, I try my very hardest to spend any waking moment I have to spare editing just so I can keep you guys updated. Sometimes things doesn't go according to plan and it just get delayed, just like this August video that is now uploaded in December. I will go months without uploading until I have time to edit, and when I edit I actually sacrifice a lot of my sleeping time, a lot of my mental peace, just so I can sit there and just get it done. Asian squat level as a baby. That's right. We are great with this Asian squat thing. It just, there we go, baby.
Nails.
I like your nails. Keep blowing, let it dry. After dropping the girls off at your mom and grandpa, we are out and about and double dating again at a new sushi restaurant that is like right next to my nail salon. Too bad they're not open because I really do want to get my nails or my pedi done. Today, I spy, can you spot the broken nail? Yep, so there. Okay, so today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we're gonna go to Ebi Sushi. I've never been there before. One of the new things that I'm trying to do is actually put into a little bit more effort into my small date night with him, because I realized that, you know, because he doesn't dress up, it made me not want to dress up, and then, you know, I'm going to all these yummy places, but I can't really record or do anything because you just don't feel good about yourself, you know. And today I decided, nope. It doesn't matter if you dress down, I'm still gonna dress up. And this is the outfit that I chose because this is an orange theme in my Instagram, and I'm loving the color orange, and right now I'm kind of tan, so it looks good. Oh, and these glasses, he actually got me these yesterday when we took the girl back to school shopping, and this is the one he chose for me. I would have chosen the turquoise one, but he chose this one because he said that I have too many black and too many turquoise and every other color, but I don't have this color, so I'm like, okay, it'll work. So this is who he think I am, you know? Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory, because I'm so sweet.
Yeah, that might have been the
Okay, so let's review Ebi Sushi Bar. This place, I love so much. The food is cheap, alcohol is amazing, and the service phenomenal, just phenomenal. you need to go here with your girls, with your boyfriend, with your husband. It is a great place to go. Hey guys, watch this. It's so cute.
That's a good fix. That's a double.
Last 7 days of the month, you already know. You already know it's work time. After inputting, it is now time to make some spaghetti. My children has been loving my spaghetti, and I have like 10 variation of this, but this is their favorite. My secret sauce is actually the raw bolognese. It's actually so good. You'd still have to technically flavor everything, and most of my flavor are in the sausages. Here I do it very Asian style. My secret sauce in here is fish sauce. Fish sauce, a really nice punch and spice, and sugar. Literally, that's it. And I infuse it with a lot of herbs so that now the meat itself tastes good. So when I put the meat into here, I don't have to use as much sugar and as much salt to like even out, I would say, the sourness of it. But I will definitely give you the full rundown in my cooking video.
You don't want to sleep? You want to keep on some more? Okay, get the little bookies out. Kids are sleeping upstairs, and usually Kayla will be in bed. And this is usually when I edit video because the house is calm and quiet, or I catch up on work, and I guess it's not working tonight.
Honestly, on days that I have to do input or have to do administrative work, I don't usually update very much just because I'm super busy and time is super scarce for me. So even on date night, which I would choose to have date night, I would still have to cook for everyone else who's not going out, and I would still cook for my kids. So don't think that, oh, she's going out so she doesn't cook. Nay, nay, nay. When you're a mom, you're always cooking, you're always cleaning, you're always working. Work, family, and then it's fun. So tonight we are enjoying ourselves at Cᴏ宜, one of my old stomping ground. I have loved this place. The only bad thing about it is 1, parking, and 2, the menu never change. Drinks are always on point, service is always on point, but the food never change. So every time I go here, I eat the same thing, I drink the same thing over and over again. It was a great evening, but now it's time to work. So today I am going to 42 Orchard Field. I'm going to be recording another unit for us. Client is moving out, so there's a lot of trash. Everyone is fixing up the back right now. Let's go in.
This unit is actually off the market and rented even before I show my client the video. 2-bedroom are so scarce here in Boston that they get rented the moment I open my mouth and say, hey, I have a 2-bedroom. Bam, it's rented. It is that fast. So today I am doing an update video for the person renting it. They just want to see the space they're working with, and then I'm going to meet up with them and do a lease, and then off to my next location, another 1-bedroom. And once again, also rented. I just have to do the final walkthrough to show my client what it looked like, and this is what it looked like. It's more like a studio apartment, but it's not. This is the living room you're looking at, and the small kitchen, the closet, and then the client bedroom with a bathroom and off-street parking. And something like this will go for $2,100 to $2,300 here in Boston.
It's very refreshing, and usually I add in the green after. Girl, you can smile it. It's so good. It tastes better than the way it looks, I promise. And colorful. His name is Cody. His name is Thomas. Yep, his name is Thomas Cody. So if anybody asks, your doctor name is Thomas Cody. The physical's not scary, right? It's so easy. She just wants to know how much you weigh, how tall you are. No shots. No shots. Nope, it's to look into the ears and the mouth. Cara, come back, please. Yes, you can put it in there. Because where are we going today? Yep, the lanterns. Yeah.
Full of estrogen.
I know. All girls. It's okay. It's all girls.
You gotta chew your rice. You have to eat rice. Yeah. Eating carrot, eat rice. Eat rice. Rice is a big girl.
On to other amazing news. Kaylee is now walking confidently, and she's just walking all around the house. So yeah, all those practice paid off, and now she's waddling all over the place.
Đi chưa vững mà còn lanh canh nữa. Ô. Đi chưa vững mà còn lanh canh nữa kìa. Oh, oh my god. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Today we are viewing 42 Wayland, the whole house. So you do have somewhat of a front yard and a backyard, it looks like.
Believe it or not, I usually record the video the last few days of the month, whenever it comes up, but usually I record it last few days of the month, and within the next 5 to 7 days I would already find a renter, redo their application, and by the end of next month it will be rented. So today I'm doing just that. I'm doing a walkthrough to show the client the space. If this is what they're looking for, then they pre-draft the contract out and they put down all the deposits, and by the end of the month they get their keys and I get the lease and payment. That is how quickly Boston apartment get rented. And believe it or not, I have never posted anything on the MLS. Everything I've done is word by mouth. I have a whole list of clients always waiting and wanting to work with me because of our good reputation, good work ethic, and how fast I can get things done.
Today we are doing a showing for 33 East Street, number 3.
We live in a super technological
era where everything is done with the phone. So this is the reason why my phone never stopped ringing. This is the reason why I have 2 to 3 phones. Different phone linked to different sources. Some for the family, some for the client, some for another type of client. So the recording, I'm here finally getting my nails done. Super excited. Needed something new, and here she is, my new claw. Last day of the month, yay. I'm also doing a showing today for this landlord, and she's so nice, you guys. She decided to let me roam in her garden, and she's giving me a whole bunch of Asian grown veggies, so I'm super excited about it. I love like these kind of gardens.
Cô là người miền gì vậy? Cô có cái tiếng của cô nó quen quen á coi.
Oh wow, so pretty! Trời ơi, that's so cute! Ah! I feel like I'm in Vietnam, you guys! Oh, the split! Oh, the split, you guys! Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. I hope this vlog was fun, enjoyable, educational. I hope it makes you want to subscribe, because if you haven't yet, I would so appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button, share this with your friend, and I will see you in the next video. By the way, comment down below and let me know how well I'm doing.